What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you the top 3 NFT games that I think you should start getting involved in this month. So without further ado, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. I do it so I can hang out, have fun, and get these on your radar. Let's get straight to it. Here it is, number 1, guys. It's Splinterland's game. All right, as soon as you go onto the website, you start to get a feel for exactly what's going on. This is a really cool play to earn game. All right, you can get all your different rarities. They all have different stats. They're like what I would call like a Pokemon card, but with their different characters on it. You can see here the Goblin Thief, the elements here like that, all different ones. You've got rarity, stats, elements, 64 plus abilities, 500 cards. It's powered by advanced technology. All right, it's the future of gaming. They've got third-party marketplaces involved, and what you will see at the bottom is how many partners they are revolutionizing with. CoinDesk, Block TV, Sludge Feed, Newswatch, people like that. There's a lot of hype around this project. It is incredible. You can play, trade, and get rewarded all the time. Just bang your email in there and your name, all right, and it will start taking you through the process. That's number 1, guys. Do your own research. Links will be down below. Splinterlands. Number 2, guys, is Zed-Run. Probably one of the most popular games there is. All right, it's the first game that I ever got into. Okay, this is actually streaming live on Twitch right now. So what it is, you've got these horses, all right? You can breed them, train them. You can get any kind of horse NFT that you want. I actually got in very early on this project, and I've got myself a very rare horse. All right, it is not winning very many games, but I don't go much into the analytics. But if you do your research, okay, there are sites that show you what bred your horse. Check what the mom and dad was, all right? Things like that, they all matter. What the speed it goes, what racetrack it's best on, what lane it goes best in, all right? It's more than just a racing game, and you can earn some serious money. Like you see here from breeding, $32. You can make that from breeding here on Darkside Dream. You can do everything, race, breed, sell, trade, anything you want. Zed-Run is massive. Please note, this is going to get bigger and bigger, so get involved in this now. That's number 2. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is probably the biggest one out there, Star Atlas, okay? This is getting the most traction I have seen in any NFT project. It's huge. There is some incredible investors in this already. Okay, it's a world vast beyond imagining. You get involved here and you can actually buy ships. You can get parts of the universe. You can do a whole lump of things. As you scroll through their website, it starts to show you the space technology of tomorrow, okay? They're going more than just a game. They're actually going into real life projects as well to have that ethos as well. You can see here, you're getting all the different kinds. So what have we got? You got the Oni region, you got the Mud Territory, you've got the Oyster section, okay? The big ugly monsters that look like that. As you go through, it'll show you more, but Star Atlas is incredible, guys. If you've been looking on all the marketplaces, this has still been going strong since the crypto bear run, all right? It's still been going strong, so get involved because it's only going to get better and better in my opinion. Star Atlas is number 3. Let's jump to the summary. There you go, guys. The top 3 NFT games that you should be getting involved in November. Please keep supporting the channel. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.